Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding and Resolving Class Not Defined Errors in Python. Introduction. One of the common errors encountered by Python developers is the name error, name class name is not defined, or simply class not defined error. This error occurs when you try to use a class that hasn't been defined or imported in your code. In this tutorial, we will explore the reasons behind this error and provide solutions to resolve it. Check for typos. The most basic reason for this error is a typographical mistake. Ensure that you have correctly spelled the class name and that the case, uppercase/lowercase, matches the actual class definition. Import the class. If the class is defined in a different module or file, make sure you import it using the import statement. Check the module or file path. Verify that the module or file containing the class definition is in the correct location and that the Python interpreter can find it. Ensure that the module or file has the appropriate permissions. Circular import issue. Be cautious of circular imports, where two or more modules depend on each other. This can lead to the class not defined error. Consider restructuring your code to avoid circular dependencies. Namespace issues. Check if the class is defined within a specific namespace or module. Use the correct namespace or module qualifier to access the class. Indentation and scope. Ensure that the class definition is properly indented and is in the correct scope. If a class is defined inside a function, it will only be accessible within that function. Rerun the kernel/interpreter. In interactive environments like Jupyter Notebooks, restarting the kernel or interpreter might resolve the issue, especially if you've made changes to the class definition. Conclusion. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the class not defined error in your Python code. Remember to carefully check for typos, import the class when necessary, and ensure proper scoping and indentation. This will help you write clean and error-free Python code.